State has 15.9 million as of 2023. That is twice of Belarus, Taba divided. Now, just to recap and to appreciate everybody that have joined us while I'm just enjoying the breeze and reflecting. It's not a full program, it's just educational one. One is Sunday Igboho should be careful of those on your side afar. You know, they some afar kì í ṣàmọ Yorùbá ni. Ẹ má ẹ̀ka dájà tí kò necessary sílẹ̀. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó rán pẹ̀lú àfà, wòlíì àti babaláwo. Gbogbo àná làjọ máa gbé ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Wọ́n ní Ogun State, the children of Akelabi, the powerful and the plentiful. Ẹ ṣe gan-an Ọlá Gallery, mo rí pé ń jù síbẹ̀. Now, just to break it down,